Please watch, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. It is for dear students.
Good afternoon and namaste everyone. Today I am going to ask some questions related to transformation. There are 20 questions of transformation. Under this heading, you may be asked to change positive sentence into negative, similarly negative into positive, in the same way statement into question or question into statement. Let's start the quiz. The first question. Let's move to the first question. The first question is be a good student. What is the negative form of be a good student? Its negative form is, what is its negative form? I think you have chosen the answer. Its correct answer is B. That is, don't be a good student. Let's move to second question. The second question is this: I lost something yesterday. Its negative form is, what is the negative form of I lost something yesterday? There are 4 options. I think you have chosen the answer. Read the options carefully. I lost something yesterday. Its answer is I didn't lose anything yesterday. Let's move to third question. The third question is you need not give him anything. You need not give him anything. Its affirmative form is, what is the affirmative form of you need not give him anything? Choose the correct answer. You will get only 10 seconds time to think for the answer. I think you have chosen the answer. Its correct answer is you must give him something. That is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 4. The question is there was nothing left. That is negative sentence. You have to change it into positive. Its positive form is, what is the positive form of there was nothing left? You will get 10 seconds time. I think you have chosen the answer. Its correct answer is there was something left. Let's move to next question. Question number 5. I am fine too. That is the sentence. You have to choose the negative form of this sentence, or you have to transform it into negative. What is its negative form? I am fine too. You will get 10 seconds time to choose the correct answer. I think you have chosen the correct answer. Its correct answer is I am not fine either. Let's move to another question. Question number 6. The question is the affirmative form of she doesn't buy any old books. She doesn't buy any old books. What is its positive form, or what is its affirmative form? The affirmative form of this sentence is she ... You will get 10 seconds time to choose the correct answer. Its positive form is, I think you have chosen the correct answer. Its correct answer is she buys some old books. Let's move to question number 7. The question is the cock always crows in the afternoon. Its negative form is the cock ... in the afternoon. The cock ... in the afternoon. What is its negative form? You will get 10 seconds time to choose the correct answer. Its correct answer is the cock never crows in the afternoon. That is its correct answer. Let's move to question number 8. The question is walk quickly. Its negative form is, what is the negative form of walk quickly? You will get 10 seconds time to choose the correct answer. I think you have made an idea. Its correct answer is don't walk quickly. Let's move to next question. Question number 9. The question is, did he give him any books? What is the statement of this question? Its statement is, you have to choose the correct answer within 10 seconds. I think you have chosen the correct answer. Its correct answer is, he gave some books. Let's move to question number 10. The question is, the yes no question of he comes here every day is, he comes here every day. You have to choose the correct answer within 10 seconds. The time bar is going down. Its correct answer is, does he come here every day? Let's move to question number 11. Question number 11 is this. The yes no question of someone hit him on his head is him on his head. What is the correct option? I think you have chosen the correct answer. Its correct answer is, did anyone hit him on his head? Let's move to another question. Question number 12. The sentence is, nobody is living there. What is its affirmative form? Its affirmative form is, what is its affirmative form? Its affirmative form is, somebody is living there. Let's move to another question. Question number 13. The positive form of don't work hard is, what is its positive form? What is its affirmative form? I think you have chosen the correct answer. This is short question. Its correct answer is, work hard. Let's move to question number 14. The question is, the affirmative form of she never walks to school is, what is its affirmative form? She never walks to school. Its affirmative form is, she always walks to school. Let's move to another question. Question number 15. The negative form of he killed a bird is, the negative form of he killed a bird. What is its negative form? I think you have chosen the answer. Its negative form is, he didn't kill a bird. Let's move to question number 16. Question number 16 is, the positive form of she didn't pass either is, its positive form is, what is its positive form? I think you have chosen the answer. Its correct answer is, she passed too. Let's move to question number 17. The question is she dreaming? What is its statement form? The statement form of is she dreaming is, she is dreaming. Let's move to next question. Question number 18. The yes no question of Mina lost something yesterday is, what is its yes no question? Mina lost something yesterday. Its yes no question is, I think you have chosen the answer. Its correct answer is, did Mina lose anything yesterday? Question number 19. Question number 19 is, her brother teaches science. Its yes no question is, the options are there. You have to choose the correct answer within 10 seconds. Her brother teaches science. Its correct answer is, does her brother teach science? That is in B. Let's move to the last question. The last question is, the positive form of they won't pay you is, what is the positive form of they won't pay you? You have to choose the correct answer within 10 seconds. They won't pay you. I think you have chosen the correct answer. Its correct answer is, they will pay you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.